Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess with debt looming over you like a dark cloud? You're not alone if you've ever felt that pit in your stomach when the bills arrive. It's that heavy, overwhelming feeling making you wonder if you'll ever truly catch a break. Maybe you're juggling multiple payments, each with its own due date and interest rate, and it all just seems too complicated to tackle. The weight of it can feel suffocating, like you're constantly running on a treadmill, but never actually moving forward. But here's the good news: getting out of debt doesn't have to be an impossible mission. We're going to break down simple, achievable strategies to help you tackle your debt, one small step at a time, and find real relief. Imagine a future where that financial weight is lifted, where you feel in control and lighter. It's totally within reach, and we'll show you exactly how to start building that debt-free future, beginning right now. First things first, you can't conquer what you don't understand. Your initial step is to get super clear on exactly what you owe. This means listing out every single debt you have. Grab a pen and paper or open a spreadsheet. For each debt, write down the balance you owe and its interest rate. Don't forget those small ones that might slip your mind, like that old store card. For example, imagine you have a credit card with a $1,500 balance at 20% interest, a student loan of $5,000 at 6%, and a small medical bill for $200 at 0% interest. Seeing it all laid out like this is incredibly powerful. It transforms an abstract, stressful problem into a concrete, manageable list. This clear picture is your map out of the debt jungle. All right, let's talk strategy. One super popular method for tackling debt is the debt snowball. Think of it like a tiny snowball, rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and getting bigger. Here's how it works. You list all your debts from smallest balance to largest. Then you pay the minimum amount due on every debt except for the very smallest one. That smallest debt gets all your extra cash. So if you have an extra $50, you wouldn't spread it around. You'd throw that entire $50 at your smallest debt, say that $200 student loan. Once that smallest debt is gone, you take the money you were paying on it, the minimum plus your extra $50, and roll it into the next smallest debt. It creates momentum, like a snowball gaining size and power. Now for the other side of the coin, the debt avalanche. This method is all about saving the most money in the long run by focusing on your highest interest rates first. It's like playing a strategic game of chess with your money. Even if that $1,000 debt with an 18% interest rate seems bigger than your $200 debt at 5%, the avalanche says, attack the 18% one first. Why? Because that high interest rate is costing you a lot more money every single month. You'll still make minimum payments on everything else, but every extra dollar you have goes straight to the debt with the nastiest interest. This way, you reduce the total amount of interest you pay over the life of your debts, saving you a good chunk of cash. The avalanche method is a bit slower to show initial payoffs, but it's financially the most efficient. It requires a bit more patience, but the long-term savings can be significant. It's a smart move for those who prioritize maximum financial efficiency. Now, let's talk about why the snowball method often feels so good. Imagine seeing that smallest debt disappear completely. That's not just a payment, it's a victory. It's proof that your efforts are actually working. This small win creates a powerful boost of motivation. You feel a surge of confidence pushing you to tackle the next debt with renewed energy. It's like clearing the first level of a video game you're ready for the next challenge. Even if you only manage to pay an extra $5 this week or clear a tiny $50 debt, that's progress. Don't underestimate the power of these small steps. Each one moves you closer to financial freedom, no matter how small it seems. So there you have it. Whether you choose the motivating snowball or the money-saving avalanche, the core idea remains the same. Small, consistent steps are your secret weapon against debt. Don't wait for a huge windfall. Start with what you have. Even an extra $10 or $20 applied to your smallest debt, or the one with the highest interest, can create incredible momentum. Imagine the relief as those first few debts vanish, giving you that "I can do this" feeling. The biggest mistake: doing nothing. Pick one strategy, Grab that debt list and try it this week. You'll be amazed at the big relief that comes from taking even the tiniest step forward. Your debt-free future isn't a pipe dream. It's built one smart decision at a time. For more simple money tips that help you build that future, hit subscribe and join the Pennywise family.